Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about path variable annotation in Spring Framework. First, I'll explain, then I'll show you the code demo. What is path variable annotation in Spring Framework? Path variable annotation, which indicates that a method parameter should be bound to a URI template variable, supported for request mapping annotated handler methods in servlet environments. For example, you want to write a URL to fetch some hotel information from your hotel application. Okay, so this is how the URL looks like. Till here it is your application URL, and the 18433 is the ID. So now the URL you will use in Spring Mvc controller would look like this. Okay, so if you see this method, your URL will look like this. So this is the path variable that I'm talking about, and in the argument you will have path variable string hotel ID. So from URL it will be copied to this string or integer. Okay, so this is done by the Spring Framework. I'll show you in the code, then you can understand. So this is the method I'm going to talk about now. So edit hotel page path variable integer ID. So in the URL I have like this. So open bracket close bracket ID. So this ID will be copied to integer, and we have marked this integer as path variable. So from the URL, the value will be copied to a method param by the Spring Framework. We are not doing it, it is done by the Spring Framework, and path variable is from the Spring Framework. Let me show you the UI, the client. I'm going to click on edit. If you see the bottom in the page, you can see hotel slash edit slash 1.html. If we go to the other edit, it will show hotel slash edit 2.html. So 2 is the ID for us. Okay, I'm going to click on this 2 now. Okay, then you can see the value will be copied. Can you see the ID has been transferred to this method argument 2? Okay, so this is done by the Spring Framework. We will, using this ID, we will fetch from the database, and I'll show it in the UI. So here I just want to show you the URL. So hotel slash edit 2. Okay, you see here edit 2. This 2 has been copied to this variable. Okay, hope this video is useful and informative. In the next video we will talk about session attribute. Thank you and all the best.